Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Beauty Over 50, guys. Yeah, I'm here just sitting back and relaxing, getting ready to show you guys what's in my Ipsy bag this month. Got it right here. So I am going to open it up. And this is what it looked like. Kind of metallic with a white zipper, and it says Ipsy on the little taggy there. It's kind of cute. Nothing on the back. Yeah, metallic looking bag. I like that. Okay, let's take the card out. July 2018. That's what the card looked like. You know, heck, I just tossed those to the side. Okay, first thing we pull out is black eyeshadow. Let me take it out and swatch it for you guys. Okay, that's not bad. It looks like this. It has a little shimmers in it. Okay. Let's get a good look at that. Oh, okay, it's more grayish like with little silver sparkles in it. That's cute. Okay. I have a little thing I made to put all my single eyeshadows in. I just stick them right on in here. That's what I start doing with these little single eyeshadows instead of having them sitting around. So I'm gonna stick that in there. Alrighty. Next item. Okay, here we go. This is time to clear. This is a facial mud exfoliating. Okay. That's what it looked like. I'm not gonna too much open this. So basically another facial mask. So I guess I'll give it a try, give it a go and see what's that like. Alright, the next thing we have is a brush. Another brush. Wow. IBY Beauty. This is what it looked like. It basically a flat shader brush, guys. It's not bad. It's nice and soft. Okay. Alright. I can work with that. Getting a lot of these little shader brushes. I just bought one at Walgreens earlier today, and I will be showing you guys that too. But hey, I'm liking that. Okay, the next item is alright. Ooh, okay. This is what the box looked like, guys. It's some kind of lip gloss. Have caked. Let me see what color that is. If I can see it on here. Girl Crush. That's what that is. Let me give you guys a swatch. Wow. I don't know about this. Okay, it's not bad. Okay. This is what it looked like. That's the swatch. Okay, guys, that's not bad. I probably would use that maybe like to put in the middle of my lips, you know, on a darker lip. That will work. Okay, and the last but not least, a pencil by Sugar. Okay. It's a green. Okay, let me see. This is a see what this look like here, guys. I'm gonna swatch this right here. Oh wow. All right, guys, that's how that look. Very smooth. Very smooth. Very nice. Okay. These are the things I got in my Ipsy bag. You guys know I already put the Oprah eyeshadow in my container. So this is it. How it's okay. The mud mask, I like that. The lipstick, the shader brush, and the pencil. So I will basically use all of this. So yes, and I like the bag. So I can put that back in my bag. So that's what I got in my Ipsy bag, guys, this month, for the month of July. So hey, I'm still thinking about, I don't know if I want to keep it going or not, but I'm just probably keep it going just to see what's going on with Ipsy. You know, this is a pretty good bag, I think so. A couple of you guys might not think it's a good bag, but to me, yes, it is. But they have not been giving out good bags lately, so we will see. All right, next, I did get my boxycharm also. All right, here we go. Now let's go through this one. All right, we all know we get the card here. Yes, we do. All righty. As I go, I can tell you guys what is what. Okay, we have another face mask. Brighten on. All right, let me see how much this costs. Brighten on mask, and this retails for $38. Oh, come on, guys. I don't know, but this is what it looked like. Wow. Wow. Okay. I guess it's supposed to brighten your skin. I guess it has sea clay in it. Mask to your skin, turn for. Okay. All right. I'm gonna see how this works. I'm gonna give this a go and see how it works. But boxycharm, I am always pleased with boxycharm. Okay, the next item is this right here. This is an eyebrow cream, Chili Beauty, and this retail for $26. Wow. All right, guys, let's see how this. Okay, I guess the product is on the inside there. Okay, all right, we get a little brush here. That's how the brush looks. You can see that. All right, I'm gonna put this in here and swatch this and see what we get. Oh wow, it's like a grayish color, if you guys can see that. It might be nice, but for me, that would be a little ashy. Now, I wish they can give these out, when they do give these out, I wish they can give these out in like a brown, you know, a brown or a light brown. That would be very nice, because it's like an off black, but more grayish tone. The camera's not doing it no justice, so it's more as a gray tone. So this, I guess, is for the bras here. Next, we have a blush here, and this retail for $11.99. Okay, illuminating silk compact blush. Okay, guys, I'm reading off the paper here. Let's see what this looks like. Get this open. All right. Looks like that. All right, people. Let's see what's going on. Let me get this open, guys. You don't know when you got these nails and trying to open these little bitty things. Alright. Oh, it's cute. Has a little mirror there. That's what the blush look like. Cute. And up under here, we have a brush. You guys can see that. Oop, fell out, but this is the brush. Get on the inside of it. Right there. Okay, let's give this a swatch. Oh, okay. That's nice. It's subtle. Subtle blush color. Hope you guys can see it. I can barely see it myself on camera, but see if I move my hand. Should have did it on my. I want you guys to really see what it looks like. Let me open it back up, because this is not doing it no justice at all. Okay, I'm going to swatch this on my wrist. You guys probably see it there. Give it a double swatch. All right, there you go. That's that. All right, a little powdery, little fallout, but that's okay. Hey, I work with it. I do like it. Okay, now we have a mascara, Wonder Beauty. Yes, and this is supposed to retail for $24. This is a mascara. This is what it looked like. Wow, at first I thought this was a lip gloss, y'all. This is what the wand looked like. Kind of got a little curved angle to it. I might like that. Okay. Not bad at all. I'm liking everything I'm pulling out. And we have another palette. You know, I'm really enjoying boxycharm. If it's nothing but the palette. And this is by Crown. Okay, and this retails for $29. Let's open her up and see what she looks like. Okay, we have a mirror up here. Cardboard applicator, you know, it snaps back for you. Alright, bend it all the way back. That's what the colors look like. Beautiful colors. I'm not going to swatch these guys, but they are beautiful colors. Wow. It's a nude palette. Yes, this is more like an everyday palette. I do like this. This is nice. Yes. So, yeah. I'm really liking this palette. I love, you guys know how I feel about my nudes, so I'm really liking the nude palette. So, this is what I received out of my boxycharm, guys. So, just wanted to come on here and show you guys what I got in my Ipsy bag, my boxycharm. And these are the products right here. Desert Rose, that is the color on here. And these are the products that boxycharm sent. I'm never disappointed with boxycharm, guys. Hey, never, ever, ever. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing of my Ipsy and boxycharm this month for the month of July. And you guys, I hope you guys are having a good week out there. I will be back with another video, another haul video later on, and I will see you guys and connect with you in my next video. You guys keep it safe out there, and pray for me, and I pray for your family, guys. And like I always say, go for what you want and don't let nobody stop you. All right, guys. Bye-bye. Connect with you in my